I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think. Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Yeah.
I just wanted to show you our Costco haul really quick. I got a few different items that I don't usually get, like the sparkling water. There's really good reviews on this sparkling water, and also I've never had this one. I know this has been around for a while. So we got chicken stock, we've got our mixed greens, hot dog buns, white bread, wheat bread, hot dogs, almond milk, potato chips, Parmesan cheese. I'm doing different recipes for all of this. Cheddar cheese to go with our fajitas. I'm doing a Mexican crock pot meal in a couple of days, and it calls for frozen corn. I've got apples, 2 small cases of apples, Cheez-Its for snacks, avocado for our Mexican dishes, and also including fajitas. I've got my rotisserie chicken. Costco has the best rotisserie chicken. I'm going to use this on our fajitas. We want to try out this coconut milk. I've also got 2 different cereals, Captain Crunch and Frosted Flakes. My kids really wanted Oreos. I got Oreos, and we eat spaghetti all the time, and I'm out of spaghetti sauce, so I got this. There's a really good deal on this for today. We go through a lot of spaghetti sauce, and so I bought the spaghetti sauce. There's a good deal. I think they're $4 off. I've got raspberries and blueberries. I've got more dishwashing detergent, cottage cheese. I'm noticing right away I didn't get lemons. That's annoying. I ordered lemons and I don't see any. I've got bananas. I love to put them in my protein shake. And I've got this laundry detergent. I've never tried this. I'm excited to see if it works well. And sauerkraut. I'm excited. I've had this before, but we're trying to eat things that have more probiotics. We're allergic to dairy, so we can't get our probiotics from yogurt. So we've tried kimchi last week, and this week we're trying the sauerkraut on hot dogs, avocado oil. I feel like I'm missing some things. Is that everything? So it's a lot of stuff. Most of the stuff I do order, some of it's different. But let's open up. Let's try this sparkling water. I just Googled the best tasting sparkling water. Oh, I've got sweet potatoes. We love sweet potatoes, and this chicken is amazing. Oh my gosh. We ordered this last week, and it was surprisingly so good. Sparkling water, it's not soda, so it's gonna taste not real sweet.
Okay.
What do you think? Think about it being water. It just has carbonation like soda. Do you like it?
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. It's not like, do you want to try it? You want to try it? It's pretty good. You have mint gum in your mouth. So in my next video, I think I'm going to be cleaning bathrooms. I'm excited for that. I've got a couple of bathrooms. My kids' bathrooms need a lot of work. And they're supposed to be cleaning them, but they don't do as good of a job as they should. But I'm hoping over time they will. And trying to think what else. What kind of videos would you guys like to see over this summer? My kids are now home from school, which is so nice. I'm trying to, maybe I'll share that in my next video too. I spent a whole day trying to make a new chore chart for all of them. It took a long time to figure out what I wanted to include, but I included things like I want them to spend an hour a day learning things. if they stick with it and get it done first thing in the morning, it's not going to be a big deal, and I think they'll actually find that they enjoy it. So if I remember correctly, I want them to read every day for 20 minutes. I want them to write in a journal for 10 minutes. I want them to go on a math website like Khan Academy or I can't think of the others, things their school promotes for 20 minutes. So that's 40, 50. And then I wanted them to practice spelling or vocab words for 10 minutes, and I was going to give them a test at the end of the week with their spelling. So it's lots of little things that I want them to do, totaling an hour. So that's part of their chores. And also, they of course have to keep their bedroom and bathroom clean or picked up, and then we'll spend one day a week actually cleaning them. And then they each take turns helping me make dinner and cleaning up dinner and cleaning the common areas in the house. But we've been doing it for 3 days now, and it's gone really well. And we're gonna pay them at the end of the week if they do all of their chores. So far so good. But what has helped, well, first of all, do you guys do chore charts for your kids? My kids are all ranging in different ages. I've got 14, 12, almost 9, and 6. And of course the 6-year-old doesn't have to do as much as the 14 and 12-year-old, but they all have their thing they gotta do. But let me know in the comments below if you do chore charts, what has worked for you guys, what doesn't work. I'm still, like I told my kids, I'm still trying to figure all this out. I might see that someone has too much to do, someone doesn't have enough, or I need to adjust, balance things out a little bit better. But I'll see that as time goes on. But so far so good. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. I love all of you guys. Please give me thumbs up. Please leave me messages. That's how I know you like my videos. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you have a channel similar to mine, a homemaking channel, cleaning, organizing, meal prep, let me know in the comments, because I would love to subscribe to you as well. Thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye.